Okay, so this video is to explain how to use the Annotated Bibliography worksheet to help you kind of take notes and annotate your sources. Okay, so I have an assignment for you as part of helping you collect all the sources for your research essay to put all of your 10 sources into this worksheet and answer these questions. This is the kind of thing you'd be doing on an annotated bibliography anyway, but instead of fussing around with the formatting and whatever, I just gave you a worksheet. You fill it out and you're good. Okay. Plus, this is going to give you guidance to help you prepare to write your essay. Okay, so this right here, this little block of worksheet just repeats 10 times. And so what's it ask you to do? Write the works cited entry for the source. So you need to write out the complete works cited entry for the source, and that is more than just the link to get to the source. If you're not sure what a works cited entry is, if you look at the end of your textbook, there's sections on it, and I'll probably put a link at the bottom of the annotated bibliography assignment page for a link to explain works cited as well. Okay, once you've done that, write a summary of your source. This is going to help you to use the source and also think through all the most important ideas. If you write this out yourself, instead of just copying and pasting something like the abstract, then you also have text that you can use in your paper itself. So if you want to be efficient with your time, you might want to write down a version of the source in your own words so that you can then copy and paste it into the paper. Okay, I want you to pull at least 2 to 3 quotes, references from each of the sources that you do. Make sure to include the in-text citation for each quote. If you're not sure what in-text citation is, I can put a link at the bottom of the page on the annotated bibliography assignment to help you with that as well. But it's just giving credit in parentheses, right? That's what it is. Okay, and then explain how the source is relevant to your research problem. This doesn't have to be really long. This is just you. This is the note for you. How's this going to fit in with everything else? Well, I've asked you to find sources that help to establish a problem, provide context, help you provide a solution. That might be something you include here, or any other note that's relevant and helpful to you. Okay, but also think, if you really want to be efficient with your time, the work that you're doing here to take notes, if you could see that the words that you're writing could translate into the paper itself, you might as well write out the explanation for how this is relevant to your argument right here, if you want. Okay, and then you just repeat 10 times. This isn't meant to be, a super time-consuming assignment. It's just meant to help you to organize all the research that you've done to think, okay, you're going to need to come up with your works cited anyway. You might as well write it here. You probably are going to want to summarize each source. You do it here. You're going to want to pull out some quotes so you can use them in the paper. This helps you to do that. And you might want to make a plan on how everything's going to work together or explain what these sources mean. That's what all this is designed to do. Plus, these are the kinds of things you do in annotated bibliography anyway. All right. I hope that this explanation helps you to complete this assignment. And, if you're not sure about some of the citation stuff, I have those other videos to help you out with that. Or you can check out your textbook. Look at the back where it says MLA documentation. And it's got a lot of good information there. All right. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.